Hey guys, we're back here for I guess not really a ride. We found somewhere where the Razor and the Sammy can't go. We're up here at Bear Lake for the weekend. Just playing in the water. Got my kayak out here. Got Bosco and Alfred. One of them is having a good time in the water and the other one not so much. But got their life jackets on and they're just chilling. I got my magnet fishing stuff. No luck so far. I might take it out a little later, see if I can catch anything. Problem, the lake's a little too big, so it's hard to pinpoint any one place to search. A helicopter. So, and I got snorkel gear, so maybe I'll do some diving a little later. Got some mama geese over there with some babies. I don't know if you can see them. I don't want to get too close and scare them away or have the dogs spot them and freak out. Just swim along the shore. About 20 of them. Canadian geese. What do you think, Bosco? Huh? What do you think? You done out here? You ready to go in? How about you, Alfred? What you doing? Don't tip me over, please. Would you? Hmm? He's leaning really hard. You guys just sit. Sit down, Alfred. Oh, he almost went in. Nope. Oh, he said it. Good job, buddy. Well, our snorkeling had to be canceled. We got some nice, good waves.
Power suggestion. What? The power suggestion.
Now we're just gonna out floating these heavy waves. Yeah, typically on the east side of Bear Lake every afternoon we get these swells. It's been calm all weekend until today. Now we're gonna float in them. Probably don't do me justice on how big these swells are. They're not huge. Probably 2.5 footers maybe. But it makes it pretty nice and fun to be out here floating. We're a few hundred yards from shore. Just having a good time.